in Lawton. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. This is The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, western Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, west central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cunningham to near Shepton to Seltzer, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Lehigh, Mount Pocono, Tobyhanna, Palmerton, Jim Thorpe, Slatington, Nesquehoning, Weatherly, Walnutport, Ness, Pocono Pines, Lake Harmony, New Tripoli, Tannersville, Long Pond, Christcheville, Sun Valley, Reeders, Beltsville State Park, and McMichael. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 63 and 97. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 277 and 302. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The severe thunderstorm